Hey, all right, guys. Today is November the 20th. We are out here in the East Cobb, Marietta, Georgia area. This is Mrs. Hall. Mrs. Hall called me last week. She had some rugs being picked up today to get cleaned by another company, and she said this would be a great time to spruce up the wood floors. Now, her floors do need a screen and recoat, but she said Courtney would do that after the holidays. Just want to get them clean right now. And what we're going to be doing, guys, is just cleaning the floors. It's hardwood floors. It's close to 1,000 square feet, $1.50 a square foot. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in again the East Cobb, Marietta, Georgia area. And let me show you what we got going. The job will probably take us maybe a couple hours, just a cleaning. Either we're going to buff it out or just probably put down a protective wear layer on the floors. And they have these scents that it's called Hotel something, and one of the scents is called Black something. I actually have it. It smells so good in here. That's how I knew. So anyway, guys, you can see where she had the rug. I'm going to zoom in. And you see all those scuff marks right here. All those micro scratches. So technically the floors do need a screen and recoat, but they're not too bad. So what we're going to do today is setting up our equipment. We're going to rinse, clean the floors really good. And then either we're going to buff them out or put down a protective wear layer. So that's what we're going to be doing. So what we're going to be doing is this entire area, all of this right here, all through here, this back area right here. I'm not moving any furniture. I'm going to go around the sectional sofa. Then we're going to come down this hallway and this foyer area right here. So we're going to move these two chairs. I don't think we are going to move. We are going to move those two chairs over here. All right, guys, go ahead and get started.
Truman Hardwood. Yeah, we keep it smooth like Sunday morning. Marietta shine. Rolling through Marietta with the windows low. Got the buffer in the back moving nice and slow. No UV, no sanding, just a gentle touch. Clean and buffing on the floor, bring it back so much. Felt the grain wake up as the past glide through. Little bit of polish make the hardwood look new. Every swirl, every pass, that mellow kind of love. Like jazz on the surface with a blessing from above. Be clean and buffing, bring that hardwood back to life. Well, Truman in Marietta.
Guys, we are done with the cleaning. Again, my client, like she had a lot of residue on the floor. It wasn't wax. It was probably Murphy's oil soap, but she did tell us that her cleaners did have a product they was putting on the floors. So if you remember, guys, there was a lot of surface marks, a lot of scratches. You can see where they went around the rug. You don't see that anymore. So what we're going to do, we're going to leave this furniture in the middle where the rug was that she had picked up, and then we're going to get this coated. So I just showed Miss Suzanne how everything is coming out. Now we did put the protective wear layer on this area right here already. Okay, so you can see how much better that looks. Also got a fan on it. So you can see the difference from here to there. See the difference? All right, so there's more like a satin finish. Again, it's not a polyurethane, it's just a protective wear layer. Sometimes when we have those floors that we clean and buff, or we do a wax removal and they just need a little layer of protection, we have a product that we use. So you can see how much better the floors look. All right, so this was just a simple clean scrub. It had a lot of surface marks all through here. I mean, just everywhere, guys. And it was all in that residue. So what we're gonna do now is T is just shifting the furniture to where the rug was. I can kind of still see the lines just a little bit. And then we're gonna get the protective wear layer down. So you can see, so the guy, this is a perfect example. You see right there, let me show you. You see right here really close? That's the area we're about to hit this by hand. That's nothing but residue on her floor. That's why you can see those scuff marks everywhere, those little micro scratches. But when you come over here, you don't see them because it was in the residue. So what we're going to do is just knock this area down right quick by hand, clean it, and then put the protective wear layer down. So you can see where she had the rug right there. All right, guys, let me go ahead and do a little touch up here, get the protective wear layer down, and we'll be heading back to the office. And got 2 tomorrow, booked 1 for Saturday today, and yeah. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Kind of zoom in, show you how it's drying. See how it look when it's drying. So the water in the finish. And again, this is not a polyurethane. This is more of a polymer, and it's good for floors that already have some protection, but you just want to add like a layer. So I do let clients know it doesn't last as long as polyurethane, and it's not as durable as polyurethane, especially 2 components or the UV. But it just gives the floor some layer of protection, you know, until they decide to want to screen or recoat it again. But overall, the floors came out great, and we did take care of our client's issue, which was those scuff marks that was everywhere. That was basically in the residue that her cleaner was putting down. Hold on, guys, my phone looks foggy. Hold on. All right, that's better. So yeah, her cleaner was putting some product on the floor. Like I said, it was either some type of cleaner, or definitely was a cleaner. It wasn't in a wax. It was probably Murphy's oil soap. But you can see, and then what we did, we just stuffed all the furniture right here because the rug, she said the rug would be back in a week. And then I just told them to just move the furniture back late tonight or in the morning. But guys, the floors came out great. Another job well done. I also just booked another job for Saturday. It was a referral from Mr. Craig. Mr. Craig was actual referral from what were my clients now? I think her name was Susan. We did Susan's wood floors, UV cure, and her countertops. She referred us to Craig. We did his countertops and his bathroom vanity countertops. And Craig just referred me to another client. We're going to be doing his countertops this Saturday after our first job, which was a repeat client, had me doing another job. So Saturday, I got a repeat client and a referral. Wood floor on the first one and the countertops on the second one. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.